What if I told you your daily habits are secretly keeping you poor? Even if you make good money, these 7 mistakes could be draining your bank account. Let's fix them right now. Habit number 1. Paying yourself last. Most people pay bills, buy stuff, and save whatever's left. That's backward. The wealthy pay themselves first. Automate just 10% of your income into savings before spending anything. This small change builds wealth silently over time. Habit number 2. Buying liabilities, thinking they're assets. That new phone? Liability. A rental property? Asset. Poor people spend on things that lose value. Rich people invest in things that make money. Ask yourself, will this put cash in my pocket or take it out? Habit number 3. Living for instant gratification. Buy now, pay later is the fast track to being broke. The wealthy delay gratification. Instead of a $5 coffee every day, invest that $150 a month. In 10 years, that's over $30,000 with compound interest. Habit number 4. Ignoring small expenses. It's just $10 is how poor people think. But $10 here and $20 there adds up to thousands yearly. Audit your subscriptions, eating out, and impulse buys. Cancel just one thing and invest the savings. Habit number 5. No emergency fund. Without an emergency fund, one flat tire puts you in debt. Aim for 3 to 6 months of expenses. Start with $1,000, then build. This is your financial seatbelt. Don't drive without it. Habit number 6. Relying on a single income. The rich have 5+ income streams. The poor rely on one job. Start a side hustle, invest dividends, or rent out a spare room. If one income dies, you won't panic. Habit number 7. Not investing in yourself. The best investment? You. Learning skills, networking, and improving your mindset pay lifelong dividends. Skip 1 month of Netflix and buy a finance course instead. Fixing just one of these habits can change your financial future. Which one will you tackle first? Comment below. And if you want a step-by-step plan to build wealth, subscribe now. We break it all down for you.